Good morning, students. We have solved examples from the exercise 4.3 in the part 6. Welcome to the part 7. Today we study applications of simple equations to the practical solutions. Please be ready with the previous class notes. Applications of simple equations to practical situations means simple equations can be used to solve problems in real life. How to solve this one? The actual method is looking at the statements of the problem. We have to form an equation by taking one variable, unknown variable. The method is to form equations. The method is to form equations corresponding to such situations and then solve those equations to give the solution to the problems. I'll explain with the help of example. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. Here this number is unknown. We have to call this number as x. Now 3 times x means it is 3x. These are all things we studied in our previous class. So 3 times x. Now the given thing is sum. So 3x and 11. It is using 3x and 11 means 3x plus 11 is 32. Is 32 means is equal to 32. Now here our job is to find the value of x. You know how to find x by transposing 11 to the right hand side, then divide by 3. This all method you know. Let me explain once again. Solution. Let that number be x. Then 3 times the number is 3x. What is given? Sum of 3x and 11 is 32. That is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. Now you carry this 11 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 11. So 3x is equal to 32 minus 11. Therefore 3x is equal to 32 minus 11 is 21. Now to remove this 3, we have to divide both the sides by 3. Let us see in detail all the steps. We transpose 11 to the right hand side. It becomes 32 minus 11. So 3x equal to 21. We now divide both the sides by 3. So we can cancel this 3. Only x remains. This is 3 ones are 3, 7s are x equal to 7. Therefore, after cancellation, we get x equal to 7. The required number is x equal to 7. This is the way how we solve the problems. Please copy all the steps. The solution is very simple. I'll continue to the next example now. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Again you call the number as unknown variable here. Say for example x or y. 1/4 of y means y divided by 4 is 3. Is 3 means equal to 3. More than 7. More than 7 means plus 7. So this is the way how we form an equation. Then find the value of y. Let us see. Let the number be y. Then 1/4 of the number y is y divided by 4. Then given is this number y by 4 is 3 more than 7. Therefore y by 4 equal to 3 plus 7. Y by 4 equal to 10. To cancel this 4, we multiply both the sides by 4. Left hand side into 4, right hand side also into 4. So cancel 4, we get y equal to 10 into 4, 40. The required number is 40. Hope you understood. Simple solution. Let us see another example. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. More than 3 times Raju's age. Here you call Raju's age as X. Find Raju's age if father's age is 44 years old. You see, let Raju's age be X, then Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. That is 5 years more than means plus 3 times Raju's age means 3 into X. So it becomes 5 plus 3x. Please observe this. Then Raju's father's age is given. It is 44. It is given in the question. So these two must be equal. These two equations must be equal now. Therefore 5 plus 3x equal to 44. You transpose 5 to the right hand side. 44 minus 5. Therefore 3x equal to 39. Then the next steps, dividing both the sides by 3. 3x by 3 equal to 39 by 3. So x equal to 13. Raju's age is 13 years now. This is the way how we solve. Please copy the example and the steps by pausing the video. I'll continue to the next page. Please copy the question. I will answer in detail. Let the number of notebooks be X, unknown number. We have to find X value. Subtract thrice the number of notebooks from 50. From 50 you subtract. That means 50 minus 3 times the X minus 3x. And he finds that the result is found to be 8. That means this is equal to 8. Here we have to find the value of X. This is the question. This is the equation. Let us see. It is written as 50 minus 3x. Then what is given? 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Then we transpose 50 to the right hand side. Minus 3x equal to 8 minus 50. Minus 3x is equal to minus 42. To cancel this minus 3, we divide both the sides by minus 3. Minus 3x divided by minus 3 equal to minus 42 divided by minus 3. Cancel this minus 3. Here minus minus becomes plus. 3 ones are 3, 14s are. So x equal to plus 14. Here minus also we can cancel. It becomes plus. I repeat. X equal to 14. Rohan has 14 notebooks. Hope you understood. Let us write one more example. Please copy the question. Here we have to find the lowest score. We are calling lowest score as the variable n. We have to find the value of n. What is given? Given is 3 times the lowest marks. 3 times the lowest marks means 3n, and plus 5 is given. So we write plus 5. 3n plus 5 is equal to the highest score is 95. It is given in the question. So looking at the question, we have to form an equation. After that we have to solve. To solve this, we carry this 5 to the right hand side. You see, transpose 5 to the right hand side. 95 minus 5. 3n equal to 90. Then divide both the sides by 3. 3n divided by 3 equal to 90 divided by 3. We cancel 3. 3 ones are 3. 30s are. N equal to 30. Therefore, the lowest score is 30 because n is the lowest score. Therefore, the lowest score is n equal to 30. I'll continue to the next example. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 50 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? And we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree always. Let the base angles be equal to B. So this is the base angle I have marked here in an isosceles triangle. Sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. We have to add the interior angles. First angle, second angle, third angle, B plus B plus B, B plus B plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. B plus B is 2B plus 50 equal to 180. Transpose this 50 to the right hand side. 180 minus 50. Then 2B equal to 130. To find B, we divide both the sides by 2. Cancel this 2. So what is B? B equal to 65 degree. The base angles of the triangle each are equal to 65 degree. Let us see one more example. Please copy the question and see the answer in detail. We have to find Lakshmi's age. I will call this one as X years. What is given? It is 3 times Lakshmi's age, means 3 into Lakshmi's age plus 4 is equal to her father's age. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 55. 55 is her father's age. Therefore, we transpose 4 to the right hand side. 55 minus 4, 3x is found to be 51. Then we divide both the sides by 3. And after cancellation, we get x equal to 17. Therefore, Lakshmi's age is 17 years. Dear students, I'll solve examples from the exercise 4.4 in the next class. Thank you.